Blend tool is an important and very unique tool in CorelDRAW. So you can find it beneath the shadow tool. So blend tool, you click on it. So next page, this is what you can use it for. Let's say it's used to blend objects by creating a progression of intermediate objects and colors. So you can use it to, let's see what you can do with it here. Let's take this one outside. For example, let's start with this line. You can read more on the hint. So to make it faster, so let's try and work with it here. So draw a vertical line. So using the freehand tool. So there is a start point for the blend. Let's reduce the height of this, or if you like, you can leave the height. So I just drag from up. So you want to blend lines from here to here. So use the blend tool. You click on it. This is the starting point. Once you drag it to this place with your left click, can you see that we have gotten one? So you can also create, just the way the contour tool is, you can crease it. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's assume this is okay for you. You can adjust the blend mode. This is the slider. You click it. This is the slider. You can see it anyhow you want to do it. Exactly. You can just explore. You understand? If you want some part to be more closer, so you can just explore there. This is what they mean by the slider. If you can just, so this is how it is. But by default, is to have the same spacing between all. But you can just play around with it by that way. So let's make it more complex. You can just draw another one and see. Let's see. Draw a cycle. Hold Control. Control. So you hold Shift, or yeah, you can use the contour tool if you wish. So let's use the contour tool. Practice the contour tool. The contour tool is up there. So just drag. Make sure it's one right from the properties bar. So you can drag inside. Let's use properties bar. So to save our time, just reduce it. Can you see it? Drop it like this. Let's assume it's okay like this. So we can just draw another polygon. Let's draw polygon. Let's assume this polygon is okay for us. 5-sided, right? You can just use the shape tool to drag it down. Let's adjust it. Okay, let me make it like 10-sided, 10-sided. So let's take shape tool. You drag it down, curve it first, then you drag it down, hold Control to make it look a little bit spicy. So you can now make it, click on the left while clicking on color black on the color palette. So you can reduce it to your taste. Let's assume this is okay, or you can decide to reduce it here if you wish on the properties bar. So this is how it is. So you can zoom down using the zoom tool, zoom down. So you can reduce it. So this is how it is. Let's assume this is the center of it. So you can just play along with it. Can you see it? You hold Shift and drop it here. So this is the beginning point. Go back to the blend to beginning point, and this is the end point. You can just drag from here, drag here. Can you see it? So you come here, blend, proper option. Okay, sorry. Okay, here okay, blend to part, new part. Can you see it? This place under part properties, blend to part. Can you see it? You will now click on the part, which is the cycle. Can you see it? Then you increase gradually. Tap. Increase, 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 increase. So this place there's clockwise here. Clockwise blend. You can keep increasing. So so you can just explore. Can you see it? The further it is, undo. I just play around with it. I think this you can just increase if you wish. So reduce or increase. You can adjust the space here. So this is how it is. Okay, I'm sorry. Clear blend. Let's clear blend. This is what it meant. This is what we have done. Click on this one. Come to the blend tool. Hold shift and click this. Then you click on blend. So can you see blend to path? Blend to path. So just click on this. Sorry. Click on this. That's it. Let me redo. I think I've gotten somewhere. I've gotten it wrong. We can just manage it. I think you have to make a mistake somewhere. So you can remove that part there by clicking on objects, break apart. So you zoom down if you wish to see what you are doing very well, and delete it. Undo. You can come to zoom level to selection. So this one you can delete it. Can you see it? So you can press F4. If you like, you can play around and create another shift, or you would use the contour tool, but that contour tool refuse to work there. So you can drop this one with your right click. So that's all. You can also play with along with this one. So because I don't want to make the video too lengthy, you can explore. Almost the same method. So you're welcome.